Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today we're reviewing the Bird Wallet app, a popular cryptocurrency wallet known for its simplicity and security. If you're looking for an easy way to store your digital assets, Bird might be the perfect fit. Let's dive into its key features, pros, and cons. Bird is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys. It supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens. One of Bird's key features is its user-friendly design. The setup is simple, and its intuitive interface makes it perfect for beginners. After downloading the app and creating a wallet, you're good to go. For security, Bird uses military-grade encryption to protect your funds. Your private keys are stored locally on your device, meaning only you have access. The wallet also supports biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning, for added protection. Additionally, Bird lets you back up your wallet using a recovery phrase, ensuring that you can restore your wallet if needed. Bird also integrates a built-in exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies within the app. You can make fiat-to-crypto purchases via third-party services, like Simplex and MoonPay, which accept credit or debit cards. However, keep in mind that fees can vary with these services. Now, let's look at the pros. Bird is incredibly easy to use, making it an excellent choice for crypto beginners. It's lightweight, offers a smooth experience, and provides top-notch security features. The app also supports multiple cryptocurrencies, and the integrated exchange and fiat purchase options make it easy to buy and sell within the app. However, there are a few cons. While Bird supports many cryptocurrencies, its selection isn't as wide as some other wallets, particularly with altcoins. It also lacks advanced features like staking, which may be a downside for more experienced users. Additionally, the fees for using integrated exchanges can be relatively high, and there's no desktop version of the app, so it's mobile only. In conclusion, the Bird Wallet is a solid choice for those looking for a simple, secure, and easy-to-use mobile wallet. Its security features, ease of use, and integrated exchange make it great for beginners. However, it may not be the best fit for those seeking advanced features or support for a wide range of altcoins. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.